29 species in genus Adromischus. March 10th, Adromischus, the charming succulent, represents March 10th. Adromischus symbolizes adaptability and beauty. You are resilient and resourceful, thriving in unexpected ways. Your charm lies in your unique approach to life's challenges. My fascination with Adromischus. I'm Furvu, and I've always been drawn to the unique and the unusual, especially when it comes to the natural world. That's why I'm so fascinated by the genus Adromischus, a group of succulent plants native to southern Africa. These plants, with their intriguing shapes and diverse forms, have captured my imagination and fueled my passion for botany. Adromischus plants are members of the Crassulaceae family, known for their water-storing leaves. What sets Adromischus apart is the sheer variety within the genus. Some species have plump, rounded leaves, while others sport elongated, almost finger-like foliage. The colors range from deep greens and reds to speckled and variegated patterns. It's like having a miniature art exhibition right on your windowsill. A closer look at the species. The diversity within Adromischus is truly remarkable. Here are Adromischus cristatus. This species is recognized by its wavy, crested leaves, giving it a distinctive appearance. It's like a miniature green wave frozen in time. Plant FAQs. Adromischus cristatus, crinkle leaf plant. Adromischus maculatus, one of the most popular species. Maculatus has striking, spotted leaves. The markings vary greatly, adding to its appeal. Adromischus cooperi. This species boasts reddish-brown leaves with wavy edges, creating a dramatic and eye-catching display. Plant FAQs. Adromischus cooperi, pillow plant. Adromischus schuldianus, known for its compact size and unique, almost skeletal growth habit. Schuldianus is a favorite among collectors. Adromischus mariani. This species is highly variable, with forms ranging from smooth, green leaves to rough, textured ones with reddish hues. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Why I love growing Adromischus. Aside from their aesthetic appeal, Adromischus plants are relatively easy to care for, which is a big plus for someone like me who's always on the go. They thrive in well-draining soil and prefer bright, indirect light. Overwatering is a common pitfall, so it's important to let the soil dry out completely between waterings. Propagation is another aspect that I find fascinating. Adromischus can be easily propagated from leaf cuttings. Simply pluck a healthy leaf, let it callus over for a few days, and then place it on a well-draining soil mix. With a little patience, you'll soon have a new plant. More than just a pretty face. Beyond their ornamental value, Adromischus plants have a deeper significance for me. They represent resilience and adaptability. These plants have evolved to thrive in harsh, arid environments, reminding me that even in the face of challenges, life finds a way. I believe that connecting with nature is essential for our well-being, and cultivating Adromischus has been a rewarding experience. It's a reminder to appreciate the small wonders around us and to find beauty in the unexpected. In conclusion, my journey with Adromischus has been a continuous learning experience. I'm constantly amazed by their diversity and resilience. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or just starting out, I highly recommend exploring the world of Adromischus. You might just find yourself as captivated by these fascinating plants as I am.